Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open and close your car hood of your Ford B-Max. We are standing outside the car and we are now going to open the driver's side door. Then we have a look, there is a lever left at the pedals on the bottom side. This lever we can pull, yeah. If we pull that, we can hear and feel a click sound. And we go to the front side at the Ford branding. You will see another lever which you can go rise to the left side. And then, while you perform this, it is unhooked. Then we can open the bonnet. Ooh, there is a lock stick. This lock stick we can enter into the area where the arrow shows to. And then it is locked there and we can work under the car hood. Oh yeah, on this TDCI engine. Of course you can't have another engine installed. To close it, remove the lock stick out of the position. Get the lock stick back in the storage position. This is on this yellow part. And then you can smash the car hood into the lock again. 20 centimeter. Let's go. Drop it. And if it does not locked into, you can push on top a little bit. But not too hard. Or the best thing, of course, open the bonnet and get back in 30 centimeter. And here you can see, maybe it is locked. Really cool. Okay? Just done, baby. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.